Listen. Wide body, Black Series 63. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so glad I came across this car because a lot of people don't know about this car. Now that your friends with Disney. Got done with the car, man. I had to come to my guy Brad. Put my motor mounts in for me, as y'all can see by the title. Yeah, man, I done messed the car up again, but we getting it fixed. It's looking good. Yeah. He putting the last couple bolts in. This was like a 2-hour job, but we had to wait like 5 hours trying to fix extra stuff. We was able to get it in there, so that's how it's looking right now.
They put that, they compile it with auto tune. It's not just straight auto tune.
That's deep, Sully.
She right there.
Oh, good. You driving in Sport and Sport Plus?
Sport, just Sport.
Just Sport?
Yeah.
Woo!
I'll put it in Sport.
You nervous?
Plus.
Sport Plus?
Nervous? Who's nervous? Oh,
I was asking her. I was asking my cousin.
Why would I be nervous?
You nervous, bro?
Why would I be nervous?
Hey, that, oh my God. Yeah, it's faster than mine. He got the long 2-hitters. Oh my God, that makes a difference, a big difference.
Let's get some gas.
Oh my God, that pulled hard.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, can I get out real quick too?
I felt it lift up.
You felt it?
I felt it lift up. I literally felt the front come up off the ground. Holy shit. I like this pillow. Damn.
Quick, let me out too bit up. Oh yeah, yeah.
You want to get out? All right, come on. Let's get you some water. Yeah.
I don't got my phone.
Oh, I got you. Guys, we're in Pello's wide body Black Series C63. This shit is so amazing. Man, he's letting me get a feel for it. I'm vlogging, y'all, so watch this. I'm not the one video I did on Sully video. I'm finna turn that into a whole video. That's how amazing I am with this camera shit. All right, let's get you some water. I got my cousin with me from New York, man. Shit. What you drink? Smart water? That's what you drink?
Actually, I like the leaf one.
Oh, he sent you the best, like one of the best waters. You look at like pH and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I need to get? I need to get chapstick. Y'all look one. Damn, bro, that shit pulls so hard. Gotta do a pull.
So the thing about this car,
Yeah.
you put it in sport, it's quiet.
Yeah. Oh, comfort?
Comfort,
It's
quiet.
Yeah.
You put it in sport. Now that's sport. This is Sport Plus.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm gonna make a U-turn.
Oh my gosh. Real race car. Oh my gosh. I got a lot of work to do on my car.
You ain't got that much work.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's that much. Yeah, I raced a Hemi not too long ago. Oh, I raced the SS too not too long ago.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Just go ahead. Griffin folks. Oh.
We're up in Georgia. Oh, I love this car.
See that cop over there?
Right there?
I think he's trying to get. Okay. I pay attention.
Yeah. We see him. We see him.
First gear. Second gear.
Oh yeah, that's
You put it in third, it's gonna pop.
oh shit. Like you can't beat this car, like oh my goodness gracious. Damn.
See that rattle?
Yeah, I hear it. That's the exhaust still? Exhaust. It's
I gotta
touching
do
it?
that.
It's
Yep.
still touching it?
And that's in sport too.
Oh, that's nice though.
But it's alright though.
Damn, this engine is amazing.
See when I put it in sport, when I put it in comfort, the rally pretty much goes away.
Yeah, I can hear it. It's quiet. It's super quiet. It's more quiet than Sport Plus.
See now, so you can go from revving like crazy to just normal, and you will pass by
Damn.
you'll pass by a cop and they'll be like, oh, that's not him. And I'm not even really pushing the gas like that either.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. You spank a scat pad.
Easy.
With ease.
Oh no, easy.
With ease. My Mustang was spanking scat packs. I know this right here. Oh my goodness.
Turn around and do it.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm so glad I came across this car because a lot of people don't know about this car.
Right.
A lot of people don't know about this car at all.
I know about it.
Now you do. Yo, this black series. Yeah, we gotta go to the city someday, Pillow. Damn.
That's because that needs to be fixed.
Yeah. Once you get that fixed, though, it's in the game.
Yeah.
This is a real race car.
Back to comfort. But you see that rattle? Most of it is coming from the shield, the heat shield.
Oh, touching that exhaust. Yeah. I heard that it does that sometimes.
But I seen
That's
one.
why he was acting scared.
He was, yeah. He was about to report us for real.
I carry this because I got these rays, man, and these folks be again.
Dang. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie. I like that color. That color is amazing. That color crazy.
Damn.
What?
That's a bike battery?
Just want a bike battery.
Oh my gosh, I think that spider bit me.
There's a spider. You said you're not getting them?
I am.
There you are.
Hey. How do you call people?
He like right in the front. YouTube, we are at Cumberland Mall vlogging. I got this block charger. Yeah, I work here.
Yeah.
How's it going? My cousin needs help. I think she was trying to buy the threes. If somebody could. Nah. Appreciate you. Say less. My cousin about to get the threes right here, man.
That's why I thought. She was trying them on, right?
Yeah, she was trying them on.
I thought they brought it out the back for it.
Oh, yeah.
What size you needed? 4? Alright.
Man, these bitches too hard. Oh, I jumped in front of you type shit.
What's tomorrow? Your
These,
fit?
not even a fit. I just like these ones. These
This
ones
is my
are
problem
crazy.
now. I'm always shopping. This is the last thing I'm buying while I'm in Atlanta.
You gotta buy food tonight.
Oh, yeah. Well, I gotta survive. That don't count.
Hell
You still vlogging?
Hell yeah. Are you not nervous to be on the vlog? Most people do be nervous.
Who, me?
Yeah. I don't know. You're right. Some people be nervous. I'm not ready to look. You know, I gotta do my hair and shit.
Oh.
My tattoo don't look right. My hair kind of short. Wait till it get longer. They be saying a whole lot of crazy shit, man. But yeah, we at the store right now. We at Cumberland Mall. I'm vlogging for the day. Bro, I gotta show y'all my steering wheel, bro. I gotta get an alignment. So he did everything correct on my car. Now I need an alignment. That shit is super out of alignment. That shit is ass.
Yeah, I was telling you that last week. I think we got the flu game too.
The flu game.
Yeah, we got the flu game in your size too. Jordan 12, Black Friday.
Ew.
She talking about ill.
The flu game? You don't like the flu game? Oh, you said, why you say you don't like
She is bad funny, man. But yeah, when I leave the store, man, I'm gonna get back vlogging. Probably just end the night off. We probably gonna cook. I might do a little cooking video today with my cousin, both my cousins. I might do a little cooking video, but yeah, we ain't gonna be in this store for too much longer. I'm gonna definitely catch y'all after I leave this store. Once we get the food, I'm gonna probably end it at that scene, and then from that point, what I'm gonna do is just vlog. Not even vlog, but do a cooking video or whatnot, like with my cousins and stuff like that. But yeah, man, we just chilling right now, taking out my locks, my 2-strand twists, and my barrels. My sister did. Get at my sister, man. Yeah, she lit with the lock, with the retwist in Atlanta. So yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next video.
I wanna ball together, we ball like teach you. You ride or die when I need you. You wanna shine down and teach you. This just what I do. You in the house with a view. You wanna ball, I teach you how. Jump in the wave, I teach you now. Grind the hard, what don't you get? Khalifa Kush, I got a zip. The plan 2 grand like it's a script. Get the dough, I stack blue trips. Invest your cash, I make it flip. Living fancy, take a dip. Riding with the crew. Make my city proud, I make them trip. It ain't over till I'm done. Send this fragment till I'm done. You number 2, I'm number 1. The music game, I keep it 1. Financial freedom, best of fun. New Yorker, what up, son? Shining brighter than the sun. You take a loss, I know I won. Truthfully speaking, I'm singing on the beat. Yes, I think I'm the weekend. Watch out for your girl, she wanna kick it with me like it's Tekken. Skinny, but I'm good at flexing. Ballin' hard, I don't do texting. We gon' drop kick like it's wrestling. What I saw, when a ball, I'm climbing high, I never wanna fall. Tapped into my conscience, wanna ball, you gotta gain some knowledge. Riding with them chops, hair no done on me, I have you poppin'. Chanel, yo fit, no we don't do Gucci. We rich over here, I don't ride with a little Uzi. Vert, them small things, yeah, we'll have them hurt. Skirt, hop on the wave, yeah, we'll have them surfing. A top tier team, we always win. You ball with me, we gon' get it in. We going hard to hard from start to finish. Take a sip of this water, I just replenish. You wanna ball, I wanna ball, together we ball, I teach you. You ride or die when I need you. You wanna shine, then I teach you. This just what I do. You want the house with the view. You wanna ball, I teach you how. Jump in the wave, I teach you now. You wanna ball, I wanna ball, together we ball, I teach you. You ride or die when I need you. You wanna shine, then I teach you. This just what I do. You want the house with the view. You wanna ball, I teach you how. Jump in the wave, I teach you now.